If I were to tell you that the Mid-Autumn Festival is as significant as Chinese New Year in traditional Chinese culture, what would you think? Perhaps in recent times, people might not regard the Mid-Autumn Festival with the same level of importance, but its significance in Chinese society cannot be denied. Regardless of what motivates you to learn Mandarin, gaining knowledge about the Mid-Autumn Festival is crucial, and it might even benefit your career or business. Today, I will divide this video into two parts. In the first segment, I will provide a brief introduction to the Mid-Autumn Festival, touching upon its origins, its significance in Chinese culture, and how it's celebrated. Afterwards, we will discuss how the Mid-Autumn Festival might impact your business or career when engaging with the Chinese. The Mid-Autumn Festival, celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, is one of the most significant festivals in Chinese cultural calendar. Its origins, significance, and the traditions are deeply rooted in ancient Chinese history and myth, with the festival serving as the testament to Chinese rich tapestry of cultural traditions. The festival can trace its roots back thousands of years to the Shang dynasty. Initially, it was a harvest celebration, with the full moon symbolizing abundance, family unity, and completeness. Over time, various legends become associated with the festival, the most famous of which is the story of Chang'e, the moon goddess. According to legend, Chang'e drank an elixir of immortality, causing her to flow to the moon, where she became the deity overseeing it. Her story became interwoven with the festival, making it not only a harvest celebration, but also a tribute to the moon's beauty and mystic. As destinies rose and fell, the Mid-Autumn Festival became more entrenched in Chinese society. The Tang dynasty saw grand celebrations with the moon's worship, and by the time of the Ming and Qing dynasties, it has become as popular as Chinese New Year. Poets wrote about the moon, and the nobility host extravagant parties in its honor. The Mid-Autumn Festival, also known as the Moon Festival, holds profound significance in Chinese culture, rivaling the importance of Chinese New Year. While the latter marks the start of the new lunar year and symbolizes the renewal, the Mid-Autumn Festival stands as a beacon of unity, family togetherness, and appreciation of the natural world. This festival celebrates the full moon, a cosmic emblem of wholeness and reunion. The full moon's round shape, at its brightest and most complete, mirrors the aspirations of families to come together, share stories, and revel in each other's company, just like their ancestors have done for millennia. Historically, the Mid-Autumn Festival evolved as an agrarian festivity, marking the end of the autumn harvest, a time when farmers expressed gratitude for the bounties they received and hoped for a similar yield in the forthcoming year. This deep-rooted association with agriculture tied the festival to crucial life-sustaining activities, placing it on par with the significance of Chinese New Year celebration. In contemporary times, while urbanization has changed the direct connection with agriculture for many, the core sentiments remains. Much like Chinese New Year, the Mid-Autumn Festival serves as an anchor, grounding Chinese societies in its rich traditions, while also offering a respite from the hustle of daily life to reflect, connect, and look forward with hope. The Mid-Autumn Festival, steeped in centuries of traditions, unfold across China with a tapestry of celebrations that reflect both shared cultural values and unique regional nuances. As families gather under the luminous full moon, festivities transform streets and homes into arena of light, color, and aromatic delights. Lanterns, often handmade and intricately designed, are prominently displayed, illuminating pathway and enlivening the atmosphere. In some areas, especially in the south, traditional performances such as dragon and lion dance add vibrancy to the celebration. Central to the Mid-Autumn Festival is the rich culinary traditions, with mooncakes reigning supreme, symbolizing unity and wholeness. This round pastry encoding the full moon's shape and exchanged the savor with great enthusiasm. A traditional mooncake boasts a thick, tender pastry skin enveloping a sweet and dense filling, most commonly lotus seed paste or red bean paste. Embedded within is often a salted egg yolk, representing the moon. However, the variety of mooncakes is as diverse as China's vast landscapes. For instance, in South China, mooncakes frequently featured in different fillings, while in the North regions, filling might be simpler, favoring red beans or jujube paste. In recent years, modern interpretations have emerged, introducing flavors like green tea, chocolate, and even ice cream. Beyond iconic mooncakes, different locales have their distinct festival foods. In Guangdong province, it's customary to consume taro, believed to bring a good luck. In Fujian, people indulge in night-layered cakes, colorful steamed sweets made from glutinous rice. Meanwhile, in certain north parts of China, moonlight dumplings are the dish of choice, encapsulating the theme of reunion. The Mid-Autumn Festival offers a gustatory journey, reflecting China's rich culinary diversity and the profound importance of food in cultural celebrations. In conclusion, the Mid-Autumn Festival is a blend of Asian traditions and modern celebrations, encapsulating China's rich cultural heritage. Its emphasis on family, unity, and reflection resonate deeply with millions, making it a cherished event in Chinese calendar. Whether in the bustling street of Guangzhou in the south or the historic alleys of Beijing in the north, the festival spirit of reunion and celebration shines brightly beneath the moon's glow. The Mid-Autumn Festival holds a special place in the heart of Chinese populace. While primarily a cultural or a family event, the festival significantly influences Chinese business or your career in various ways. The intertwining of business practice with traditional customs reveals how deeply embedded cultural nuances are in the business landscape of China. One of the most conspicuous business-related aspects of Mid-Autumn Festival is the tradition of gifting mooncakes. Businesses, both small and large, see this time as an opportunity to foster goodwills by presenting mooncakes to clients, partners, suppliers, and employees. Premium mooncakes packages, sometimes accompanied by fine teas or wines, can be found in high-end stores, symbolizing the importance of presenting high-quality gifts in the business world. This practice isn't just about the act of giving, but also carries deeper connotation of wishing prosperity and fostering harmonious business ties. The Mid-Autumn Festival provides a lucrative window for business to launch promotions and special campaigns. Retail sectors, especially those dealing with food and beverage, witnessed a spike in sales. Mooncakes, alone representing a multi-billion yuan industry, with companies continuously innovating with flavors, packaging, and marketing tactics to capture a large market share. Beyond mooncakes, other products like lanterns, teas, festival decorations also see increased sales. Companies often tie their marketing campaigns to the theme of the festival, such as family reunion, the beauty of the full moons, and the traditional tales like that of Chang'e. Such targeted campaigns resonate with the sentiments of the populace, leading to more effective branding and sales efforts. With the festival being a significant holiday, businesses need to plan in advance. Factories may reduce the output or hold production, while offices might operate with minimal staff. Shipping and logistic companies often experienced a surge in demand right before the holiday, followed by a lull during the festival. Therefore, businesses need to anticipate these operational changes and make necessary adjustments to their schedules, ensuring that commitments to clients and partners are met. For businesses, the Mid-Autumn Festival offers a chance to strengthen employee relationships. Companies might organize festival dinner, distribute bonus, or even offer a shorter work days. Recognizing and celebrating the festival boosts the morale, fosters a sense of belongings, and can have a positive impact on productivity post the holiday. Such gestures highlight the company's commitment to valuing employees and acknowledging their cultural traditions. In conclusion, the Mid-Autumn Festival, with its rich cultural significance, undeniably leaves an imprint on the Chinese business landscape. From gift-giving practice and marketing campaigns to operational adjustment and employee engagement activities, the festival's influence is far-reaching. Understanding these nuances is not just beneficial for domestic companies, but also crucial for foreign entities hoping to make inroads into Chinese market. In a country where business and culture are so deeply intertwined, recognizing the importance of such festival can pave the way for harmonious and fruitful business endeavors. So, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about Chinese culture, please click this video. And I will see you next video. Bye.